my name is Plaa, and I'm the CTE Director for Stanislaus County Office of Education. And we use Skillveri at our Career Inspiration Center, and the students do the virtual welding aspect of it. The kids have a great time learning how to do arc welding, TIG welding, MIG welding over the course of the day. And they get a lot of hands-on activities where they don't get burned, which is always a plus, right? So the kids really enjoyed it. They love that it gives them feedback afterwards and gives them a score on how they did during the lesson. And it's worked great teaching our students that they can have a career in the welding field.
Hi, my name is Sanjay Bhan, and I work for Stanislaus County Office of Education as the CTE Coordinator for Career Inspiration Center. We use the Skillveri welding application here for our manufacturing and agriculture portion. It's been a complete hit with the students and even with the teachers because you don't have to hurt yourself, you don't have to get burned. So the students enjoy it, staff enjoys it, so we all enjoy it, and sometimes they can even compete with each other to see who the best welder is. So it's been a great hit, great product, and we look forward to for the future.